To invest using Zerodha Kite, a trading platform. Account creation. Create an account on Zerodha and complete the Know Your Customer procedure by providing necessary identification documents. Log into Kite. Log into the Kite platform using your Zerodha account credentials. Funds deposit. Deposit funds into your Zerodha account using the platform's payment options. This allows you to have capital for trading. Market research. Use Kite's tools and features to analyze stocks, commodities, and other financial instruments. You can access real-time market data, trends, and charts to make informed investment decisions. Placing orders. Use the trading tools available in Kite to place buy or sell orders for the stocks or instruments you wish to invest in. You can set the order type, quantity, and price. Monitor investments. Monitor your investments through the Kite platform. You can track your portfolio, view historical data, and assess performance. Exit strategies. Implement exit strategies by selling or holding investments based on your trading plan or the market conditions.